Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are coming across this video. Let me show us how we can check our dogs on BYBIT. Those of us that withdrew our dogs to BYBIT. Here is how you're going to check yours. If yours has not reflect, it will still show, but this video will guide you on how you are going to check it to see if it has reflected or not. All you need to do is to go to your BYBIT. Once your BYBIT loads up, you click on assets. Here is your assets down below at your right hand side, where you have home, market, derivatives, sports, and assets. So you click on that asset. So once the assets interface opens up, you click on unified trading, where you have unified trading down below here. Click on it. So once you click on unified trading, you are going to see your dog here. You can see mine as shown. So that is how you can check it. So everybody should go and check right now if theirs has dropped. This video is basically for those who withdraw their dog into BYBIT. Thank you and bye for now. If you find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so as to get notified whenever I drop another video. Love you all.